Welcome to Dora Tech Essential Series. Ease your learning.
In this video, we will learn about different file types to save our data. Every user who works on a computer need to save their work for future access. It could be text, image, charts, presentation, or a video. Computers need to save this data in the right format to retrieve it later as they are. Every file is unique when it's saved. Any modification to it makes it a new file. To track such changes, an unique identifier is assigned to each file when you save them. These are hash values, and the common ones are MD4, MD5, SHA-1, SHA-256, etc. When you download files from internet, there are chances of data corruption. This could be due to loss of packets, or an hacker in middle, injecting virus while you are downloading it. By verifying the hash value on the site, and the file you download tells you if you got the exact file. There are different types of files used by a computer. Please pause the video to read through them. We will mainly focus on the first category, which is related to user files. There are hundreds of different file extensions and file types used with computers. It would be impossible for most people to memorize all file extensions and their associated programs. Hence they are split into categories to understand them better. The first common category used is the audio file formats. The most common is the MP3 files, which is a compressed audio format. There are many other compressed and uncompressed files, as you can see above. Above are some common, compressed files in use. Microsoft uses .zip as common compression, which allows to compress normal data up to 8 times. I.e. an 8 MB file can be compressed into an 1 MB zip file. There are some advanced third-party tools which can compress data up to 25 times or more. Such compression and decompression takes time, and is CPU and RAM intensive. These are commonly used to take backups for huge dormant data. The optical media burning software uses different file formats to store the content. The actual audio, video, and data is stored inside a container file, known as image. Above are some file extensions used by the image burners. Computers use supporting data files, and also create database files, for huge data processing. Above are some commonly used file extensions. The next commonly used files are emails. The servers may store it in database format, but when you save them to your machine, they are stored in above file formats, based on the application you use. To install a software, you need a package file. These are called as executable files, which have instructions coded into them. They have all the supportive files for an application inside them. They are extracted and stored to their respective folders, as per the application need. The next commonly used files are images/photos. There are different formats when you capture, process, save, transmit, compress, etc. Above are some commonly used file formats. JPG and BMP are commonly used formats. When you access internet sites, the browser loads the web page. The web page contains a lot of information, which is displayed on screen. There are some supportive files on backend as listed, to display the page. Next comes the Office documents categories. There are many kinds of Office files in use. Above is the list of commonly used file formats in Office. The multimedia category contains many formats. The most common are the video files, and their associated file types as shown. There are many file types, based on quality, compression, coding, application and usage. Programmers use different file formats to develop a program/application. Above are some commonly used files, but are not limited. Every operating system needs supportive instruction files to operate. Above are some commonly used files, but not limited. The files may change for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. There are many more file types and extensions, which keep growing constantly. You can check the Windows supported file extensions and associated applications by opening the default application settings from Windows System Settings panel. You can choose to open a file type with a different application, or search the Microsoft Marketplace for compatible application. We will cover the types of file systems in our next video. How files are stored to physical media by different operating systems. Keep checking the channel list for further updates. Hope you enjoyed the series. More to come soon. Like, share, and comment. Press the bell icon and subscribe to get notified about upcoming videos.